Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen Morgan, and in today's video I'm bringing you guys a wig review / install from myfirstwig. I'm super excited to be bringing you guys this video because this is the first wig I've ever owned. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the specs of this hair and everything you'll receive in the box. So I got a headband wig. This wig is in the texture Yaki. It's 10 inches long and it is the natural hair color. In the cap, you'll get 4 combs, one in the front, one on each side, and one in the back. And then you'll also get adjustable straps, which is perfect for securing your wig and making sure it doesn't go anywhere. In the box, I received a couple additional items, and one of them was this pouch. In the pouch, I got 2 clips, which came in handy when I needed to style this wig. I also got some bobby pins. I don't really use bobby pins like that. I use hairpins, but I'm sure I'll probably use them eventually. And then I also got a rat tail comb with a metal end, which is perfect for getting a nice precise part, so I was happy about that. They also gave me this pink bag that the wig came in that's perfect for storing it away. I got a pack of 2 wig caps. I got 2 headbands. They're both in the same style, super simple and cute. And then they also gave me a wig stand that I used to dry the wig after I washed it. To prep my hair for this wig, I braided my hair straight back in some messy cornrows and made sure to leave the front out so that I'll be able to slick it back. Now I'm just securing the ends of my braids up with some hairpins. To smooth my hair down, I'll be using this Eco Styler gel in a hard bristle brush, and it'll primarily be acting as a base for the heavy duty gel I'll be using later on. Now to really make sure my hair stays sleek, smooth, and intact, I'll be using this Got2b glue gel and doing my edges with it to make sure any flyaways lay down. Now I'm putting on one of the wig caps that they gave me in the box and using it just to make sure my hair is completely out of the way when I apply the wig. I would recommend that you do your edges and your baby hairs before you apply the wig, because once you apply the wig cap, you can easily touch up your edges however you like to, tuck in the ends of your hair, and tuck it in under the wig cap so that you have a nice smooth appearance to your hair. Now, prior to filming this video, I had already washed and styled the wig, and I wore it twice to make sure I know exactly what to do as far as installing this wig. So just so you guys know, this is not the type of wig to throw on and go right out the box. You're going to need to press it out just to get any grooves or bends in the hair out to make it look as natural as possible. Once I initially put the wig on my head, I like to reposition the wig as needed to make sure that the bob is straight. In some of these wigs, the combs may not be positioned right, so just make sure before you stick the combs in that the wig is straight on your head. After securing all the combs in the front of my head, I would secure the adjustable straps, but today I didn't because I was going to take this wig off anyway, and then I would strap together the headband portion of this wig. So after piecing together the headband, I still have a little bit of Velcro sticking out. So to make sure it doesn't stick out of the wig, I tuck it in under the wig and put the back comb over that to make sure that it's all concealed under the wig. Now for the headband on this wig, so that I don't get excess gel on the headband part, I'm going to fold it over so that it's out of the way and it's not as thick, because if I were to pull it out, it would completely cover the front of my hair. And I want it to be shown so that this wig looks as natural as possible. Now, a rat tail comb is super vital for tucking away any flyaways to make sure the front of your hair maintains that nice, smooth appearance. Now, I could have stopped here and simply combed out the hair because the hair was basically already styled from previous times I've worn this wig, but I saw a couple bends in the hair, so I went in with my straightener just to smooth those out. So that basically concludes the install and styling portion of this video. Super quick, easy, and beginner friendly, but now I'm going to show you a couple headbands you can use to dress up this wig and make the look all come together. Here's headband number 1. It came in a pack of 3 from Jaelen. One was green and one was yellow, and these type of headbands are super preppy. Here's headband number 2. This headband is giving glitz and glam. I got it from Amazon and I wore it for my birthday, and it just gave me glamour vibes. And last but not least, we have headband number 3, and it is this white and black stretchy headband that's perfect for when you just want to be simple, cute, and you just want to have a little pattern to go with your outfit. Make sure to check out the description to see the specs on this hair, link to the hair, and the headbands. So there you have it. This is the bob headband wig from My First Wigs. It's the perfect protective style for beginners and lazy naturals. So if you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see me do next, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.